dear students, welcome to englimia.com. Today we are going to talk on adverb. That is the fifth part of speech or the figure of speech. Let's see its definition first. What do you mean by adverb? Adverb is a word that modifies a noun, adjective, or an adverb. How many types of adverb are there? So there are 5 basic types of adverbs. Adverb of degree, adverb of manner, frequency, time, and place. Let's see their definition and the examples to understand them well. Adverb of degree, that tells us something about the intensity of the noun, adjective, or adverb. For example, they were so excited to fly. So excited. Excited is an adjective, and this so is adverb of degree, that is giving intensity or strength to the adjective in this sentence. The next example is, she speaks Turkish very well. So speaks is given strength with this addition of the adverb at the end. She speaks Turkish, but she speaks Turkish very well. The letter is simply written. The letter is written. The letter is simply written. So this adverb is giving intensity to the word written. Now see, what do we mean by adverb of manner? Adverb of manner is made by adding ly at the end of an adjective. For example, I went upstairs. I went upstairs quickly. The way you are doing something, that is called an adverb of manner. She narrates a story beautifully. You listen everyone patiently. Alright? The way you are doing something, that is called adverb of manner, and it is usually end up with ly. Let's see the next one. Adverb of frequency means how often it happens. It modifies verbs. They never go to his home. They never go to his home. This is adverb of frequency. She always cooks at this time. Always is telling us how often, and it is modifying the verb. We watch this serial every day. Every day modifies the verb. Let's see the next one. Adverb of time. So it tells us when something happened, when the action took place. For example, Ali visits this park every Monday. Every Monday. She reads a story daily. Yesterday I got a plate. I got a plate. So all these words are telling us when the action is taking place or when the action took place. The next one is adverb of place, that tells us where something is happening or where something has happened. The students work there quietly. So in this example, the word there is telling us where the action has taken place. So it is adverb of place. I found my cat inside the box. He went downstairs to see the guests. So all these words are adverb of place. I hope you have understood various types of adverbs. And now I'm going to give you an exercise. So you have to do this exercise in the comment box and let me know whether you have understood the types of adverbs clearly or not. She laughed loudly at his joke. Tomorrow I'm going to Karachi. It is extremely hot today. I often swim in the evening. Put the sofa there. So you have to find out which type of adverb I have used in all these sentences and tell me in the comment box. I hope you have understood and you will definitely practice it. Thank you very much. Take care. Allah Hafiz.